Good day everyone. In this video, I will explain our Java program, which is a simple student registration system. This program demonstrates the uses of classes, constructors, methods, and the scanner class to get user input. The program is divided into three parts: the student class, the course class, and the registration system. These programs work together to store and display student and course information, and to show which student are enrolled in a specific course. So, first one, student. What is the purpose? This program stores and displays the information of the student. Import scanner, java.util.scanner. This allows the program to receive input from the user using the keyboard. Student class, public class student. This creates the student class which represents the student's information. Variables, string, student name, int, student ID, and string program. This variable stores the student's name, ID number, and program. Constructor, public student, string name, int ID, string program. The constructor initializes or assigns the values of the student which the object is created. And display method, display student info. This method prints the student's information on the screen. And scanner input. Scanner input equals new scanner system.int. This creates the scanner object to read user input. Second one, course. The purpose. This program stores and displays course information. Import scanner. Import java.util scanner allows the program to read user input. Course class. Public class course. Creates a class for storing course details. Variables, string course code, string course title, int units. This variable stores the course code, course title, and number of units. Constructor, public course, string code, string title, int units. This initializes the course information when the course object is created. Display method. Display course info. This method displays the course details. And the last one, registration system. The purpose is program combines the student and course information to simulate a simple registration system. Scanner object. Scanner input equals new scanner system that int user used to receive input from the user. Creating course object. Course C1 equals new course code title units. This creates a course object and stores the course information entered by the user. Creating student objects. Student S1 equals new student name 1 ID 1 program 1. Student S2 equals new student name 2 ID 2 program 2. This lines creates two student objects and store their information. Display methods. S1 that display students info, C1 that display course info. These methods display the student and course details. Enrollment summary. System that out that print line S1 that student name plus enrolled in plus C1 that course title. This prints the final summary showing which students are enrolled in the course. These three programs demonstrate the use of classes, constructors, methods, and users input in Java to create a simple student registration system.